Hey guys, welcome back to my channel on makeup tutorials and beauty related content. So in today's video I'm going to create this night glam look. So if you would like to see, then keep watching. So this is how weird I'm looking, wearing concealer on lids, corrector on my eye bags and two pieces of tape sticking to my fingers which are going on the sides of my eyes. So for today's tutorial, I'm using Jaclyn Hill Morphe dupe palette and I'm going to pick this green shade as my transition. I'm basically just going to buff it entirely on my lids until I'm happy with the color. Okay, so when I'm done on both sides, I'm using NYB Kohl pencil in blue. It's a navy blue shade and I'm going to use it to deepen the eye look in the corners. For that, I'm first going to draw thick lining using it like that, and then I'm going to blend it with the big fluffy brush just around the corners. Okay, so next I'm gonna further deepen the whole look using this black shadow here. I'm just gonna blend it on top of the navy blue shade. Same step, only with the black. Next I'm gonna use this shimmer shade. This is kinda the showstopper of this look. This is gonna change the whole look and I'm gonna keep it in the inner parts of my lid. And then I'm using the fluffy brush once again to blend out any harsh lines on top. So after that I took the tapes and ouch, it was painful. That scotch tape was extremely sticky. You can almost see my skin pulled so hard and it was really very painful. So next I'm using my concealer because I kind of got the wrong angle with the tapes. It was too low, so in order to fix it I concealed away some parts with the help of my beauty blender and then a flat tiny brush. Any minute now. Yeah, and I did go back and forth with these two. Okay, so after concealing and neutralizing my lips, I'm using my kajal to do my lower lash line. First I'm softly lining my waterline, then I'm using the black shade to shade below my lower lash line, not too close to the inner corner. You'll see why. Next I'm using the blue shimmer to shade the inner corners. Well, that's why. Okay, so next I thought to use white shimmer shade for tear ducts, but it just didn't look right. I mean, there was a very sharp contrast and it didn't look nice. And it didn't look nice to me, so I thought using gold on top of white will tone it down, so that's what I finally decided to keep in the tear duct area. Then I applied my mascara to complete the eye look and put on a matching lipstick behind the camera. And so this is the finished look. Honestly, I was so frustrated with my hair. Look how frizzy it is, and on a hot summer day, worst combination. Anyway, I hope to see you next time in my video. Until then, take care, stay inside, bye.